Let me ask you something. Every month, you work hard here in Canada. You put in the hours, you save what you can, and then you send money back home to your parents, your children, your family. You want to take care of them. That's why you came here in the first place. But here's what most newcomers don't know. Every single time you send that money using Canadian Bank, you are losing a big chunk of it before it even reaches your family. Not a little, a lot. We're talking $25 to $30, sometimes $40, gone. Every single transfer, and your family never sees it. Today, I'm going to break this down very simply. I'm going to show you exactly why this is happening. And more importantly, I'm going to show you the tools that can fix it for free starting today. Stay until the end because the last tip alone could save your family hundreds of dollars this year. So let's talk about what is actually happening when you walk into your Canadian bank and say, I want to send $500 home. Your bank smiles, they process it, you walk out feeling good, but here is what they are not telling you. They are charging you two ways. The first way is a flat wire transfer fee. This is the fee you can see. It shows up on your receipt. Usually $15, sometimes $20, sometimes $25, depending on the bank and the country you're sending it to. The second way is hidden, and this is one much more expensive. It's called the exchange rate markup. Here's how it works. There is a real exchange rate, the true rate the banks when they trade currencies with each other. You can see this rate right now if you open Google and type Canadian dollar to Philippine peso, or whatever your home currency is. Your bank takes the real rate and then they quietly make it worse before giving it to you. They give you a lower rate and they keep the difference as profit. On a 500 transfer, that markup can cost you $15 to $25 on top of the flat fee. So altogether, you might be losing $35 to $45 every single time. If you send money home every single month, that is $420 to $540 every year that your family never receives. That is a lot of money. Now, before I show you the better options, I need to explain one thing, because this is the key to understanding everything. It is called the mid-market rate. The mid-market rate is the real exchange rate, the true one, the one in the middle between the buying price and the selling price. This is the rate that banks use between themselves, and this is the rates you can see right now on Google or xe.com. Here is the simple rule to remember. The closer a money transfer service gets to the mid-market rate, the less money you lose. The best services, like the ones I'm about to show you, charge less than 1% on top of the mid-market rate. Banks charge 3 to 5%. That gap, that difference, that is where your money disappears every month. So before you ever send money, open Google, check the real rate, then you'll know if you're getting a fair deal. Okay, so what should you use instead of your bank? Option 1, and this is my top recommendation for most newcomers, is Wise. You may have heard of it. Wise is a money transfer company that was built specifically to solve this problem. Their whole mission is to give people the real exchange rate, the mid-market rate, with no hidden markup. Let me tell you what that means in real numbers. You want to send $500 home, your bank charges you $25 in fees plus a 3% exchange rate markup. Your family receives maybe $460. With Wise, you pay a small flat fee, usually around $3 to $5, and they give you the real exchange rate, no markup. Your family receives close to $494. That is a $30 to $35 difference every single transfer. And Wise works for over 80 countries: Philippines, India, Nigeria, Mexico, Pakistan, Jamaica, Ghana, Sri Lanka, almost everywhere your family might be. Wise covers it. Transfer usually arrive within 24 hours, some go through in minutes. The app is completely free to download. Signing up is free, and here's the best part. I have a referral link in my bio. When you sign up using my link, your very first transfer is completely fee-free. Zero fees. You just pay nothing. Your family gets the maximum amount. I will say that again. First transfer, completely free. Link is in my bio. Use it. Option 2. Remitly. Remitly is especially strong for the Philippines, India, Mexico, and Latin America. A lot of Filipino and Indian newcomers here in Canada use Remitly and love it. Remitly gives you two choices when you send money. Express delivery. Your family receives the money in minutes. Great for emergencies. There is a small fee for this speed. Economy delivery takes 3 to 5 business days, but the fee is very low. This is the option I recommend for your regular monthly transfers. Remitly also often has promotions, especially for first-time users, where your first transfer has zero fees. So sign up, check the rate on the day you want to send, and compare it with Wise. Use whichever gives your family more money that day. Option 3. Western Union and MoneyGram. I want to be honest with you, they are more expensive than Wise and Remitly. The fees are higher and the exchange rate is not as good. But there is one situation where they are still the right choice. If your family does not have a bank account, Western Union and MoneyGram allow cash pickup. Your family goes to a nearby agent location, a pharmacy, a small shop, a Western Union branch, and picks up the cash in person. They have locations in thousands of towns and villages across Asia, Africa, and Latin America. In rural areas where there is no bank, this can be the only option. Use it when needed, but always compare rates first. Let me now put all this side by side so you can see exactly what you're dealing with. We are sending 500 Canadian dollars home. With your bank, flat fee of $15 to $25, plus exchange rate markup of 3 to 5%, your family receives somewhere around $455 to $417. With Wise, flat fee of $4, real exchange rate, zero markup, your family received close to $494. With Remitly Economy, flat fee of about $3, near mid-market rate, your family receives about $492. With Western Union, fee of $5 to $10, plus a 2 to 3% markup, your family receives $478 to $488. The bank is the worst option every single time. There is no good reason to use your bank for international transfers when these alternatives exist. Now, I want to walk you through setting up Wise, because I know some of you are thinking, okay, but is it complicated? Is it hard? No, it is very simple. Here is exactly what you do. Step 1. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download the Wise app. It is free. Step 2. Sign up using your email address. Takes 2 minutes. Step 3. Verify your identity. They will ask for your passport or your Canadian government ID. This is completely normal. It is required by Canadian law for all money transfer companies. It is to protect you. Step 4. Link your Canadian bank account or your debit card. This is how Wise takes the money from you. Step 5. Type in your recipient's bank account details, their name, their account number, their bank, and press send. That is it. The whole process takes about 5 minutes the first time. After that, every transfer is just a few taps. And remember, use my bio link for your first transfer. Completely free. Now I know some of you are worried. You're thinking, is this safe? This is my hard-earned money. What if something goes wrong? I completely understand that concern. Let me put your mind at rest. Wise is regulated by FinTrack. That is Canada's official financial intelligence regulator. Every legitimate money transfer company in Canada must register in FinTrack. Wise is on that list. Wise has been operating since 2011. They have over 16 million customers around the world. They have processed billions of dollars in transfers. On Trustpilot, which is a public review website, Wise has over 200,000 reviews and a rating of 4.3 stars out of 5. Your money is held in regulated financial institutions while it transfers. It is protected. This is not a new company. This is not a scam. This is one of the most trusted financial companies in the world. Here is a pro tip that can save you even more money. Exchange rates change every single day, sometimes every hour. The Canadian dollar gets stronger or weaker compared to your home currency constantly. When the Canadian dollar is strong, 1 Canadian dollar buys more of your home currency. That means your family gets more money without you sending more. So get in the habit of checking the rate before you send. Open Google, type in your currency pair. If the rate is better than usual, send today. If it is worse, wait a few days if you can. Wise and Remitly also let you set up rates alert. They send you a notification when the rate reaches a level you like. Use that feature. One more simple tip, send monthly, not weekly. If you send $125 every week, you are paying the transfer fee 4 times a month. That is 4 lots of $4 or $5. That is $16 to $20 every month, just in fees. But if you save it up and send $500 once a month, you pay the fee once, $4 to $5 total. That is it. Same amount of money sent, same amount received by your family, but you save $12 to $15 every single month. That is over $150 a year just by changing how often you send. Now, let me quickly go through which service is best for your specific home country. Philippines, Wise or Remitly, both are excellent. Both have fast delivery to Philippine banks. India, Wise or Remitly, both work very well and give rates very close to mid-market. Nigeria, Wise is especially strong here, often the best rate of any service. Mexico, Remitly is very popular and well established for Mexico transfers. Jamaica, Remitly or Western Union depending on whether your recipient has a bank account. Pakistan, both Wise and Remitly cover Pakistan well. The most important thing, compare rates on the actual day you want to send. The winner changes, always check both before sending. Before I give you your action plan, let me quickly tell you the 4 mistakes I see newcomers make. Mistake number 1, using your bank's wire transfer every month. There is no good reason to do this anymore. Wise and Remitly exist. Use them. Mistake number 2, sending small amounts too often. You are paying the fee multiple times. Batch your transfers. Send once a month. Mistake number 3, never checking the exchange rate before you send. You need to know the real rates so you know if you're getting a fair deal. Google it. Takes 10 seconds. Mistake number 4, and this is very important, using random unofficial cash apps or informal transfer services that are not registered in FinTrack in Canada. This can be scams. If something goes wrong, your money is not protected. Stick to Wise, Remitly, Western Union, or MoneyGram. These are all FinTrack registered and legitimate. Okay, here's your action plan. 3 things this week. Number 1, download Wise. Sign up for free. Use my link in the bio. Your first transfer is completely fee-free. It takes 5 minutes. Number 2, open Google right now and check your currency rate. Canadian dollar to your home currency, save that number. That is your baseline. Number 3, the next time you need to send money home, use Wise instead of your bank. Just try it once. See how much more your family receives. You will never go back. All my links are free and they are in my bio. If this video helped you, please share it. Send it to one person you know who is sending money home. One share could save them hundreds of dollars this year. Like and subscribe for new Canada money tips every single week, made simple for newcomers like you. I will see you in the next one. Welcome to Canada. Let's keep more money where it belongs, in your family's hands.